I watched Loepsie's video on making an Edwardian hair rat, and I made my own from toddler socks and yarn that my kids have tangled to a horrible extent. So, it is ready to go. It's a little big, we'll see. Um, she separated out hair at her crown to create the bun in the back, but I have a lot of length, so I am not going to do that. I'm going to try doing it from making the bun from the hair that's left over after I pin. So let me bring some hair into the front. And I'm just gonna lay this on top and then start pinning my hair over it. She wrapped hers in hair extensions to make it even more invisible, but I do not have any hair extensions, at least not in my actual color. So, take a section, pull it over the top, and pin. I am using regular bobby pins for this. I was thinking about using Amish pins, but I don't think I have enough. And of course, regular bobby pins come in a pack of like 200. Something ridiculous like that. I may also try forming this shape with the Eternal roll that I showed you the other day, because that creates a very Edwardian front shape, but I don't know if I'd be able to do the Psyche knot bun in the back, so I might experiment with that though. Edwardian hair is big hair. Yeah. Gotta make sure that I cover over the white parts of the sock. My stitches and the sock has like white writing on it. You know, we're in quarantine. I used what I could find. Okay. Now it is time to take the leftover hair and do a Psyche knot, which is basically a cinnamon bun elongated. Let's see if we can get this all straight without pulling out the pins that are holding it down. Twist up.
Hey, I forgot to go in my room.
Pin at the top. Try a spin pin for this. More twist, fold back down. Amish pins might interfere less with the shape of it, so let's try that. My 2-year-old has finally noticed I'm not up there with them. Okay. There we go. How does it look? I'm going to take a I may have made my hair a little too big. I don't know.